Okay, this trimmer right here might put an end to my favorite StyleCraft saber trimmer. I cannot talk about saber trimmer without talking about TPOBX or EXO, because both of them, they are my favorite hair trimmer. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. So stay tuned. Alright. StyleCraft should be a little bit worried now, because they got a competition, and this is frankly speaking, I don't know which one is the name of this hair trimmer, if it's a DK or Back Pro, so I don't really know. And if you know the name of this hair trimmer, I mean the brand name of this hair trimmer, just kindly leave your comment on the comment section below if it's a DK or a Back Pro. So leave your comment on the comment section below. As I said before, StyleCraft should be worried because they got a real competition now, and this really identical, just like saber trimmer. You can really take a look. It comes with this, I don't know, so-called, I guess, a diamond blade. Comes with a diamond blade, and here's the cutter blade. Okay, and if you take a look at this hair trimmer, you won't be able to tell if it's a saber trimmer or not. Okay, through the USB-C. Saber trimmer doesn't come with a USB-C. Okay, just a micro USB. It comes with something here, as you can see here. Okay, and there it's written DK. Both of them, they are really pretty identical. You see that? Really identical. Saber trimmer comes with a metal body, same as this one, DK or Back Pro, metal body. Okay, which is really good. And the good thing, and it's a brushless motor. Saber trimmer comes with a 6 watts. You can see it here, right here, 6 watts. Why this one comes with a 7 watts? 7 watts. Let's make a sound check. As you can hear, it's quiet. Now StyleCraft. Both of them, they are very quiet. Oh, before I forgot, let's take a look on how the box looks like. Just like this. Okay, it's written DK Back Pro. Okay, as you can see, and the side, the other side, and it's written US here. I guess it should be sold in US or something like that. Okay, and at the back. So now let me read some of the specs for y'all. 3 hours operating time from 1 hour charging time. It comes with it's written micro USB, not micro but USB-C. Okay, got 7,200 RPM. It's written here, 7,200 RPMs, and ultra thin cutter head. Got 1,500 milliamp hour battery. Yeah, that's it. Now let's open it up and see what we got inside. It's just like this, very simple. The manual. Okay, blade cover, blade protector, and comes with a, which is really good, extra thin blade, the small blade, this one, this is the bigger one. Okay, which is good. Charging cable, USB-C, and a little brush, not really special. I'm gonna tell you right now, this trimmer comes with everything. Metal body, 7 watts, USB-C, diamond blade. Comes with a 2 blade. Comes with a 2 blades. and it's a brushless motor. So what else do you want? And it's comparable with saber trimmer. The question is, does it cut like saber trimmer? Simple answer is no. This blade doesn't cut like the one of saber trimmer. Okay, this blade doesn't come zero gap, and you cannot zero gap this blade. And the tiny blade, the small blade, you cannot zero gap it either. It got these two screws, as you can see, two screws, but you cannot zero gap them. This is the worst of all. How can you make a trimmer? You cannot zero gap them. How can you make a good hair trimmer? Then when it comes to the blade turns the good of this hair trimmer to be a bad hair trimmer. This is how it is. I made a mod with this one. I zero gapped it. Yeah, I zero gapped this one, but with mod. And I tried to cut with it. It doesn't cut anything. This blade, I don't know why. You see these two blades. If maybe you say, okay, you want to buy just only the cutter blade of Stylecraft and put it on this blade. And same as this one, they don't fit on this. That's what you have to know. The one cutter blade, does it fit on these blades? Okay. So now we can see it really good. And I don't know if maybe you can see it. This is how much it comes like this, not zero gapped at all. See that? Not zero gapped. Okay. And this one, see these two screws? It's here, but you cannot zero gap it. I don't really understand the logic here, but yeah, I made a mod and zero gap this one, as you can see, but still it doesn't cut anything. But the good thing about this hair trimmer, you can put without mod the blade of Stylecraft. Okay, both of them, they are junk. Okay, you can put Stylecraft blade on this one without any mod. Okay, I got this one long time ago, as you can see. Yes, so you can put it very simple without no mod. Okay, see that? Yep. And it cuts really good. $212, $213. Okay. This blade is small. So this one is lighter. Now it's quieter with this blade, with this big blade, than this small one. Okay. Okay, 3.7 volts. So it's not written how many RPMs. Okay. So leave your comment on the comment section below and tell me if maybe they are the same or not. So now the question is, can this replace my saber trimmer? For me, not really. Okay, that's my opinion, but this is just 70 euros, and this is, I don't know, I have to look on their website and write it somewhere here, you know. This one cannot replace my saber trimmer simply because the two blades that comes with this hair trimmer is not good. It's a no-go. But if you buy style craft blade and put it on this one, this is fire, just like saber trimmer. So I like my saber trimmer, and now I like this one. Before I don't like it, and that's my opinion about this DK hair trimmer. Yep. Once again, and with this bigger blade on this one, it's much more quieter. It's quiet like saber trimmer. Okay, so peace, man.